Introducing high-performance rugged AI edge computer JCO-6000-ORN series, powered by Nvidia Jetson Orin. Nvidia Jetson Orin module delivers 275 TOPS of AI performance with a 15 watts to 60 watts power consumption. JCO-6000 series provides two scalable models. The JCO-6000-ORN is equipped with two EdgeBoost I/O slots. And JCO-6000-ORN-B has four EdgeBoost I/O slots. EdgeBoost I/O technology ensures modular, scalable, and easy expansion. JCO-6000 highlights four USB 3 with locking screws and OOB remote management module as new EdgeBoost I/O modules. JCO-6000 supports up to 8 GMSL cameras with 12 gigabits per second speed. It enables video surveillance and intelligence in applications such as AGV and AMR automation and autonomous forklifts. With the real-time inference powered by Nvidia Jetson, the JCO-6000 can detect obstacle and reroute to alternate paths. PoE and USB cameras are also supported in JCO-6000 series as high-speed vision cameras. With industrial-grade reliability, JCO-6000 is deployment-ready for harsh environments. It is tested and validated with world-class certifications including UL and EN 50155. Built rugged, built ready. JCO-6000 ensures faster time to market for rugged edge AI.